my name is Bohan, and this is my solution to the pawn game. So first I declare some variables for the player, and then I have, let me see the class diagram. I've created bat object and puck object, and then in the bat we'll have a update. It's going to the bat. So it's going to move the player based on the boolean. So if it's going right, if it's going left, it's going to do the left movement. If it's going right, it's going to do the right movement. And this is setting up the object in the initial position, the mesh and stuff. And then same thing applied to the puck. This is so for the puck we have X direction and Y direction. So in the update it's going to move the puck with a different speed. This speed boost is going to use in later logic when you collide with a bat. So this X and Y speed is basically the direction. So every frame we're going to check the collision with the border and the player. So in here we're basically checking the window bound, and then if it's touching the left and right side of the window, it's going to bounce back. It's going to invert the X direction. If it's touching the top side of the window, it's going to invert the Y direction. And then this is for checking with the bat. So I'm basically checking if the puck is below or at the player position Y with the player height, and this is for checking if it's inside the player width range. And then once you collide with the player, it's going to it's going to bounce. It's going to invert the Y direction and then give a random X direction, and then it's going to boost the speed by 0.5. So every time you touch with the bat, it's going to boost the speed, and then the score will add 1 and update the UI, and that's for the death check if the puck is passes the player, so you'll get a life reduction. And if I play, you can move with A and D key or the arrow keys. So on the top left corner is the scores and lives. So every time this ball bounces with the bat, it's going to speed up. It's pretty obvious. If you'll see it's so once it goes down, it will reset the ball, and the life will got reduced. And once the life got to 0, it's going to stop the game. Means game over. And this player movement, you'll see you cannot. It's inside this window constraint. You can't go out or anything. And that's your final score right there. And that's it. Thank you.